guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about some perfumes, and I feel like I don't get to talk about perfume and scents enough on my channel, so I cannot wait to do this for you guys and share with you some new scents that I got in the mail. So if you guys want to find out what my new scents are that I am so excited to share, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and also hit the little button down below. You'll get notified every single time I upload and you do not miss a video. I do tons of affordable beauty on my channel, hauls, shop with me's, all that fun stuff. So if you enjoy that, you will really enjoy my channel. And let's get on into the video. So I have 4 scents to share with you guys today, and these are from Luxury Scent Box. So I'm actually working with Luxury Scent Box on this video. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. And I am so excited about this, you guys, because these are actually like little travel size perfume. Luxury Scent Box is one of the largest perfume subscription services, and I think this is such a neat idea because a lot of times I know probably you guys feel the same, I don't want to buy this huge full-size bottle of fragrance, especially if it's like an expensive fragrance. I like things that are smaller, mini size, I can try, and then if you love it, you can always buy the full size. I rarely use up a full bottle of perfumes. I actually do sometimes if I truly love it, but most of the time I just want something small. So enter these little guys right here. So Luxury Scent Box is $15 a month. There's a no contract or anything like that. You get to even build a scent calendar. You can fill out a survey and it'll give you recommendations. They have so many scents to choose from, so many well-known fragrances that are like household names, but they also have niche fragrances. Basically what that means is it's just fragrances that you probably haven't heard of, or they're more unique or not as well known, or something you can't just go find at Sephora and Ulta. And I love those more like unique niche scents because it means no one else is going to smell like you, and I like having my own unique scent. Oh, I love that scent. Like I don't know anyone else who has that. So that's why this is a great way to test out new, unique, different scents, especially if you are a fragrance lover. I've mentioned a couple times here on my channel that in 2020 I started to get a little bit more into fragrances and just building on my collection. So this is like a great way also to kind of build up your collection without a huge investment. Well, I am not very adventurous in my scent families. I personally only like things that are sweet and vanilla, and then sometimes I'll venture off and I'll go a little more woodsy, a little bit, not too much. Like I'm not a floral person. I know everyone's different, everyone likes different scents. That's just me personally. They also have new arrivals every single month, which is so cool because you can always look at new fragrances to try out. And I'm going to show you guys how cute the little bottle is that they send. This is absolutely adorable, especially perfect for travel. So all you do is you just twist up the fragrance, and there's your little sprayer, and these are also removable. You can switch them out and take them out and replace them. I just think it is such a cool and like different concept with fragrances. Also cancel it at any time if you want, so there's like no pressure to be in this like long-term thing if you want to just try out a couple fragrances and see how you like it. So let's go through all the perfumes that they sent me. What I did was I said to them, hey, I like vanilla perfumes, and then just send me vanilla perfumes. I didn't specifically pick out the fragrances, I just told them like what my favorite scent was. So I don't know what they are, and this is a surprise, so I'm just gonna like twist it up so I can see what it is, and then I'll spray it and kind of give you guys my thoughts. So this first one is Montal. It must be a more niche designer kind of brand, and this is called Vanilla Cake. I'm already excited because vanilla and cake is like my favorite. So let's go ahead and spray this. I put something on earlier, but it was really just like a body mist, so it's all gone now. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is heavenly, heavenly. I do not own anything like this. The cake note is amazing, and it's not like a childish, like, I hate to say like Bath and Body Works, but like, you know how sometimes those can have like that too sweet where it's like sickeningly sweet? This is like a baked cake, vanilla, and it smells absolutely amazing. I think this has to be my new signature scent. I need to look up this brand and see more about it. It says it's made in France, This is me to a T. You guys have to get this one, Montal Vanilla Cake. If you like vanilla scents, you are going to be in love. And I have tons of vanilla scents in my collection because, like I said, that's like basically all I buy, but I don't have anything like this. I've been wanting a true cake scent for so long. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I sprayed it in my elbow area because I want to have like more areas so I can work with and sniff them for you guys. So let me look this one up and see like if there are any notes. I'm sure it's basically just like vanilla cake because it's pretty linear. Like there's not really too much else to it. I'm praying that this is not an expensive perfume because, oh, it is. Okay, it says at Bloomingdale's, is this it? It is $140 for the full-size bottle, you guys. That's why this service is so amazing because you're paying $15 a month. You get to try out the sample size, and it is like a really nice size that they give. 0.30 fluid ounces. That is a really good sample size. So here are the notes. The top notes are buttercream and grilled almond. Middle notes are milk, warm caramel, yogurt cake, and the base notes are meringue and Madagascan vanilla. So it says a gourmet and bewitching fragrance, a real yogurt cake just out of the oven with a delicious meringue. So if you ever want to look at a fragrance, you can go on fragnatica.com and look up reviews. That's what I do, but I will say the people there are very intense fragrance reviewers. So like if I look up this one, some people are just saying that, you know, it's not their cup of tea or whatever. I personally think it's awesome. I definitely get more of that like yellow cake scent. I'm very curious to see how this is going to kind of transform on my skin throughout the day. But so far we are off to an amazing start because I love this one. They did an amazing job picking that one out for me. To the second bottle and see what all is in here. And it also is cute. It says love life with perfume on their bottle. Okay, this one is interesting because it's actually a milky color, and I was not expecting that. I've never seen a milky colored fragrance before. Usually they're clear. This one is by Maison Sybarite Paris, and this is called Bed of Roses, and it's made in France. I'm already a little afraid because I do not like things that are rose scented. If you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know that. But I think they actually sent something along with it here. Okay, so they sent like a little mailer, and it says French perfume brand created by master perfumers. It is the first water-based, alcohol-free, fine fragrance with a milky texture using new technology. That is super interesting. It says it's a Beauty Innovation Awards 2020 winner. Super cool. So I'm excited to see how this smells. I don't know if you guys know, I've mentioned this before as well, but I did go to school for fragrance. I went to college for fragrance and cosmetics, in case you guys were wondering. Okay, so I'm going to spray. Ooh, that is so weird. Like it literally comes out on your arm as the white texture. It looks like spray-on sunscreen. This is strong rose. It's definitely interesting. Like it's not terrible. It's just not something that I personally would wear like on a day-to-day basis. Maybe layering it with something else. To me, the rose scents just have this very like powder grandma feel to it that I don't know, I just can't get on board with it. I'm gonna be wearing vanilla scents literally till I'm like old and 90 years old, and I'm gonna be still rocking my cake perfumes because I just can't get on board with the floral scent. The top notes are saffron, cardamom, bergamot, and mandarin orange. The middle notes are rose and orris root, and the base notes are tolu, balsam, patchouli, and cedar. I'm very into things that are innovative like that, so A+ on that front. It's just the scent is not my favorite. They do have other ones here, opulent wood, amber gaze. I wonder how those are. Oh, this is cool. It says no chemical solvent, no parabens, silicones, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. So it really is an interesting brand, and the bottles are quite expensive because it is a luxury perfume. That's, I guess, the whole reason why it's luxury scent box, because you're trying out luxury scents for a discounted price in the sample size. But this retails for $185 for a full bottle. Let's move on to the third scent and see what this one is. So, ooh, this is Christian Siriano. I did not even know he had a perfume, but I shouldn't be surprised because he has lots of different lines. I remember he had that handbag line at Payless. This is the Ooh La Rouge perfume. So let's give this one a go and then smell it and then we'll read the notes. Oh my gosh, you guys. This smells so good. You know what this smells like? It is very similar to the Baccarat Rouge type of scent or In the Stars scent from Bath & Body Works. Like, it lives in that family, except it has this one note that makes it a little different. It's almost like has like a little spice to it. But it definitely smells, or like, what is that? It has like a little kick to it that makes it slightly different from Baccarat Rouge. It's really nice. Like, it has a sweetness to it, but it doesn't give me a headache. Like, sometimes those types of scents will irritate me a little bit. Like, I like them. So I'm gonna look up the notes so we can kind of get to the bottom of this. Fragrance jokes. So this is a new fragrance. It was launched in 2020. The top notes are praline, saffron, and blood grapefruit. I think that is what I was smelling, possibly was the grapefruit. The middle notes are star jasmine, tuberose, and gardenia. So the mid notes are more floral, and the base notes are amber wood and musk. Very interesting. So yeah, I like it. I like it. It's definitely unique. Like, I don't know. There's something unique about it, but it's still really pretty. I would say it's very similar to Ariana Grande's Cloud, but not as sweet, and definitely like unisex, so a male or a female could wear this. So if you like the Baccarat Rouge or Ariana Grande Cloud, then you would really like this. I really like Cloud. That is definitely a great scent. I own that one. I can't wear it every day because I just prefer to wear things that are a little bit more sugary, warm vanilla than that one. So that's like a once in a while fragrance. I really like it. Like, I feel like a lot of people would like this scent. I know Cloud blew up and everyone loved it, so I can see this scent like going viral and people freaking out over it. I would definitely wear this and keep it in my collection. So we have another good one here. We have the fourth and final fragrance. So let's see what this one is. This I'm excited for. This is Juliet Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes. So Juliet Has a Gun is one fragrance. This is like the other one that they had came out with, like a secondary version. And I'm curious to see what this smells like. I don't really know too well what the original Juliet Has a Gun smells like. I don't have it in my collection, but let's see. I'm gonna just spray it. I'm gonna smell insane after this. Gonna have a whole mess of scents. Just kind of shaking it off. Ooh, not what I expected. It kind of, on the first scent, I was like, unsure, but now it smells kind of coconut. I would say it's definitely a coconut beachy scent. I actually like it. The first sniff I was like no, but then when I went back I was like, okay, it's pretty decent. Kind of like a beachy, vanilla, salty ocean kind of scent is the best way that I can describe it. It's nice. I definitely think this is a good summer scent. So let's look up the notes. Okay, so the notes for Vanilla Vibes, top note is salt, so that immediately I smelled. Middle notes are vanilla absolute and orchid, and the base notes are tonka bean, sandalwood, musk, and benzoin. So definitely a like tropical beachy scent like I was noting before. Definitely see a lot of people liking this. It's kind of like more of a sophisticated grown up vanilla perfume. Like, you're not getting that like cloying sweetness. It's not like really, I wouldn't say like it's gourmand. I definitely think the salt is powerful, especially because it's the top note, but I'm curious to see how this warms up on my skin and if I like it throughout the day. Kind of see how it transforms on my body chemistry. This one I feel like I can smell everything. Like, I smell the salt, I smell the orchid, I smell that little bit of vanilla, but right now I don't think the vanilla is coming through insanely strong, so it's not my absolute favorite. Like, it's not something I would be like, ooh, I want to reach for this right away, but it does have amazing reviews if you look it up, so a lot of people love this scent, so I think it would definitely be a fan favorite. I am just very particular to like a very cakey scent. Like, that first one was like me to a T. This one though I like because it's more unique, and I feel like I would wear this like on a vacation. Some people are saying that this is similar to Bath & Body Works Boardwalk Taffy on Fragnatica, which is definitely interesting. I can see that because the ocean beachy vibes. I want to wear it through an entire day and see how I like it once it starts to settle more into its like vanilla. But yeah, it definitely is interesting. It's something that I don't have in my collection, so I welcome it. And I think this is a really good one. I definitely think a lot of people would enjoy this scent. Again, perfect for beach, tropical, has that coconutiness to it, which is really nice, but it's not too strong. So that is it, you guys. Those are all of the fragrances that they sent over. I had so much fun doing this. I love diving into new fragrances and trying them out with you guys on camera, and this was just something different and fun. Another amazing thing is that they actually gave me a discount code for you guys off your first order. So if you use my code, it's just my name, Kim NUZZOLO, you'll get 35% off, making your first order only $9.75 and free shipping. So this is for new members only. Personally, I think this is the best way to try out new fragrances. I think it is super economical. I think it is fun, and I am a huge fan of luxury scent box. I just think it is so cool because you can try out a bunch of different scents and not feel so committed to a full-size bottle. They're also perfect for travel. I'm sure a lot of you guys will love this too. Also, it's just like a great way to save money as well if you are a fragrance lover. Thank you so much to Luxury Scent Box for working with me on this video. I truly love the brand. I've worked with them in the past, and I just think they are a phenomenal company, and I think it is such a cool, unique concept and one of the best monthly beauty subscription boxes ever. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of these scents out. What is your favorite scent family? Are you a vanilla lover? Do you like florals, ambers? Let me know. I would love to hear from you guys and chat about fragrance in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!